description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodle. And today we've got an instant vermicelli from South Korea by Ottogi. This is Japchae. And this came by way of James from Lakeside, California. Thank you very much, man. Really appreciate it. So, yeah. We need this one. So we put it in there. That is the flake sachet. And this and this, those hang out because they're going to go in last. And then here is our vermicelli. This is a sweet potato thread vermicelli. Pop. And it's going to go for 3 minutes. Alright. So, how's all doing? Did you have a fun deal? I certainly hope you did. What am I talking about? I don't know. Should have another lid. Should be one more. Just one more, right? Where are you? Well, I lost a lid. Ah! Triumph! Okay, so it's steeping. I've had this in a restaurant once, and I had this particular one, God, years ago. I want to say I had this maybe over 10 years ago. That's a long time. Definitely gets a re-review. It's not even a re-review. I don't really do... I used to do re-reviews, but I learned about how sourcing and the change in ingredients happen very often, more than you would even imagine. And I'm sure you can imagine a lot of things, but yeah. And yeah, so if it's been like 5 years since I've reviewed something and I've got it and it's like, I'll give it another try. Doesn't matter if I liked it or not. If I've got it on hand and I'm low, that's when I generally do re-reviews. This one's a brand new package, so automatically it gets a new review. I think the old version was just a Korean export. This one is a Korean export, but for Ottogi America, and I don't think at that time there was an Ottogi America. I'm not sure. So, yeah. Still cold outside. Very bright. I'm really looking forward to some overcast. It keeps threatening. They keep saying it's gonna rain, but then it says the temperature is gonna be in like the low 30s. It's like, I don't know if it's gonna rain if it's in the low 30s. That doesn't seem right. For some reason, that seems like, I don't know, sky chowder temperatures. I'm gonna cut these because that makes them easier to handle. So there we go. And we're gonna drain them. So now we are going to... We're gonna drain the noodle. So, has America been made great again yet? guess if it's May when you're watching that, that's over 100 days, isn't it? I would think. If not, getting close. That's all they're talking about right now on the news is Trump in his first 100 days as president. He's already done, like, this is day, 3? Inauguration, then a full day yesterday, and then now another day. I think it's about time to call it a day and go play some golf. That sounds about what's going to happen pretty quick. I don't know, though. I feel kind of sad for the guy. I feel pity. My wife doesn't, but I do. I don't know. Seems like so hell-bent on power and getting things. It's like, don't you? I mean, if I had all that money and could do anything I wanted, I'd want to go do, I don't know, go travel, go see new things, go meet new people, go experience culture, and, you know, I guess that's a lot. I guess that's the difference. But it just seems sad to me that someone would miss all those great opportunities to enrich oneself. I guess when you got a Coke fillet, that's about all the experience you need. So there's our noodle. Cheers. That's not bad. No. It's very sweet. Try another bite before I do it all up. It's pretty good. I'm not generally a big fan of that style noodle, but it is pretty good. I don't know if this is going to work. I really hope it does. Cool. Scallion. The last of my scallion I sliced up today. It's sweet. It's got a nice amount of veg that comes with. Comes with, folks. Comes with. Yeah, I don't know what just happened there. My apologies. That was lame. I must have bumped something on the monitor or the other thing, but that was a big wacky to do. So there's chicken in there. There's lots of scallion. And from what I was seeing, the base dish itself is pretty low cal, like 240 for the whole bowl. That might have been a half serving. You'd have to look. And finally, I was wondering, do eggs belong in Japchae? But I looked and I certainly found no egg whatsoever in any picture of Japchae I saw. So my guess is eggless. So I didn't put any eggs on it. But there is some Japchae. And it's a sweet potato noodle with a nice sweet kind of character to it. And yeah, it's good. It's worth a try. It's something interesting and different if you've never had such a thing. So you should try it. Well. Thanks for watching. There'll be another episode tomorrow, and the day after, and the day after, and the day after. So if you miss one, you can go back and watch it. I highly recommend it, because if you don't, then you'll be missing out on your entire life. So like and subscribe, donate if you can, whatever you got. If you can't, I don't care. But yeah, thanks for watching. This was fun. Have a good one. Bye-bye.